How to fix Messenger video call camera settings. If you are having issue while calling video call in Messenger, then to solve it, this video is for you. First of all, launch your settings on your device. Then scroll down and go through the Messenger application. There you will see camera option. Make sure that it is toggled on. Once you do that, go back to the settings homepage and hit on general. From here, hit on iPhone storage and then again search for Messenger application and tap on it. Now do offload app. Once you do offload app, you have to reinstall your Messenger application again and then your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.